Okay, hello. I thought I'd show you how to do the Kapalabhati, one of the breathing techniques, one of the basics. This technique involves using the diaphragm to actually push the air out through the nose, and at the same time as you're pushing the air out through the nose using the diaphragm, using the belly and working the diaphragm, it sort of sends the air up through the back of the skull, and Kapalabhati actually means skull shining, so that's exactly what it feels like when you're doing it. Wonderful technique for cleansing the nadis, or the spiritual pathways of the brain. I'll show you how we start. You breathe out through the nose, pull the belly in. Then you take a half breath into the belly, through the nose. And then breathe out, snap the belly in and carry on. Do it about 30 times. At the end, you take a deep breath in. You hold. And then release very gently through the nose. That's one round of Kapalabhati. You normally do this 3 times, minimum, anything between 30 and 50 pumpings with the breath.